ready. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here. Got Kyle here. Think they're ready for what we have in store?
This is exciting, guys. Let me tell you. Today, look at this nice little spread of parts. Just a nice little, you know? We're gonna start off with. Let's start off over here.
Okay, start off over
here. Mainly because I already unboxed it. I got excited. I wanted to look at it. You know, whatever. But we got some BC Racing coilovers. Okay?
Ooh.
Look at these bad boys. We got some nice little stickers. We always love some good stickers. Oh.
Yo, that looks freaking clean.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at these.
And like me and Kyle were talking earlier, I've never installed coilovers before. I've never had coilovers. Every vehicle I've had have all had lowering springs. These are nice. These
I don't know
are
what I'm doing.
These are so freaking nice. Well, Kyle did not cheap out on these coilovers.
See, we cheaped out on the other stuff like the exhaust because, well, I'm not gonna tell you, but plans for this car in the future are gonna be very exciting. I don't know if you guys know TJ Hunt, but this is the angle kit that he started off with on his 350Z. This is the max angle kit. Look how nice that is.
Dude, that is nice. Take it out of the back. Take it out of the back. Let's see.
Oh.
Ooh.
Tell me why.
Ooh, look at that.
Tell me why I like that color so much.
It looks like a pinkish brownish.
Pink. I don't know if the camera will pick up the color, but if you get,
I don't know if it will.
Oh, it sparkles.
The glimmer on
Did you
it.
see that?
Look at it. Oh, the camera.
Oh,
maybe.
it's not getting it?
Maybe. Tad bit.
I didn't know it sparkled like that.
No, I've never. Same thing. I've never installed an angle kit.
Guys, we really don't know what we're doing.
It can't be no different than installing a lower control arms on a car, from what I think.
Which I've never done that either. But
all right. So what else we got here, Kyle?
all right. So little shit we need for these end links, nuts and bolts, washers. These are ISR. We got tow arms, camber arms, and the traction rods. We have wheels coming. They're on the way. They would have been here by now, but the tires that I ordered with them are back ordered. So they had to send me a bunch of different options to get new tires, and we finally got that straightened out. And he said it'll be a couple weeks before they come in. We haven't unboxed yet, so I don't know what they look like. But these are the Stillen sway bars, front and rear. These are some thick boys.
Oh, they're all stapled in too.
Yeah.
They're nicely packed. Look at that.
Look how thick these are. It's like.
It's got a full unboxing of everything that we got going on right now, from coilovers to angle kit to sway bar links. Actually, rack the car up, get it going, start taking shit off, and go from there. Ready?
Ready.
All right, let's do this.
Break.
Alrighty, you ready to do this?
Yeah, man. Let's go ahead and get these wheels off.
Take these wheels off. Let's
And
do
we're
this.
gonna show you guys the rear wheels, the rear tires.
Ooh.
The one that's worse.
Go.
This one's pretty bad.
Hopefully you guys can see. Look at that. God damn, dude. Dude, this is like ready to pop. So now we just got to remove the top of the A-arm, the tie rod bolt, and the bottom control arm piece, and we should be good, right?
Yeah,
all right, let's do that.
We don't get stuck with all these cotter pins again.
Yeah. You want Whoa, that was scary. I have a bad habit of...
And then at the gym, with the way the plates get put on the bar.
Yeah, I noticed that. I have a bad habit of just throwing bolts everywhere, and then I forget where they go. And I literally start doing this.
Or you just grab the wrong bolt and it's just...
I grab a ball, I'm like, I think that goes there. I already have it sold. Feel how warm that is?
Huh?
Feel how warm that is?
Oh! Knob.
So now, hopefully you guys can see, we're just gonna remove this part of the control arm. I would guess it's control arm. I don't know. Anyways, remove that so we can attach the anchor. I was about to say, what are you doing? Here, let's put the ratchet on it, break it loose, and then don't bust your knuckle. Oh, you're gonna bust yourself either way, man. Man. Oh my God. You're on.
Huh?
You're putting it on.
I was not.
Yes, you were.
I was.
Oh my God, Kyle.
Here, let me. Here, let me.
You mother. There we go. What is up, guys? So, updating you on this video. It's been about, let's say, maybe 2.5 weeks since you guys last saw the video. After the GoPro died, for some reason, everything decided to go wrong. Bolts were snapping. Everything was just rusted. It just took a turn for the worse. So we took a few weeks off of it. We got the extended tie rods for it. I'm alone today. Kyle is at work. So I just came here just to kind of try to get it all done and everything. So what you're about to see is just me finishing up the angle kit, make sure everything's all done and perfect on the angle kit itself. This car, it just kicked our butts times 10. So we're not gonna let it defeat us. We're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep going.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So as if you can see, everything is all nice and tight. That has thread locker in it, just so that doesn't come out. The knuckle to the steering is actually tight. The tie rod end is tight. Everything is now tight. Same thing for this side. Everything is all nice and tight. Like I said, I did a quick eyeball alignment. I'm going to be able to get an accurate one once I put the wheels on and everything and really start lining everything up. Other than that, everything's all buttoned up. I'm going to finish it up. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the time lapse. Like I said, this time I just wanted to get this thing done all tight just so we can start doing some cool things with it. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the time. I'm just trying to finish it up really quick, so hopefully you guys are enjoying the time lapse. I got the GoPro right there. Other than that, just continue doing it up, finish it all up, and get it going.
You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright, so after the quick alignment, bad. It's actually pretty straight from what I can see. Once we put the coilovers on, we'll be able to get an accurate alignment, get it all dialed in. Do front coilovers, the rear coilovers, and then we should be good. But I'm excited. Let's see how much angle there actually is in this thing. So that's full lock. Wow. Holy crap, that's actually a lot. Look at that. Feels like we are. No, we're not. Wow, we're actually pretty dead on. How nice all that looks in there. But yes. Now, like I said, we still have to do the coilover, so this might be a little lower. But that is actually quite a bit of angle. So I'm actually gonna take it on a quick test drive and see how it all does. Let's go for this quick test drive and see. Now the clutch on this is going out. It's making a lot of weird noises, so. Guys, so the angle kit is finished. I just did a quick once over on it. Everything looks really good. Everything's tight, nothing's leaking, nothing's crackling, nothing's making a bunch of weird noises. Everything's good. Now if you guys can, please go ahead, like, subscribe. This car is getting a lot more done to it, trust me. A whole bunch more. We still have plenty of videos coming. This is probably one of the videos that just was all over the place, trust me. None of the videos will be like this again, alright? Now if you guys can, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Alright? Later.